Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be who will you marry? Okay, so who will be your future spouse? Who will you marry? Whether it will be love marriage, arranged marriage, when you will marry, when you will get married. So we will see today. We will ask spirits and angels what they will say. Let us see. Then we have three piles here as usual. Pile number 1, black tourmaline. Pile 2, the green agate, tree agate, and the third one is lapis lazuli. Whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. If you need more time, you can meditate on the pile and pause the video and you can select the pile. Okay, then please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Whatever resonates with you, take it and leave the rest. If you need any personal reading, then you can contact me. My details are given below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and comment if you have any special type of readings are there in your mind. So what you want me to do the next, you can comment in the comment section. I love to read your comments, and my job will be easy if you comment that which reading if you want next, then my job will be easy to do the readings. Okay, without wasting much time, let us continue. So pile 1, black tourmaline. Pile 2, tree agate. Pile 3, lapis lazuli. Okay, whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. So let us start the reading with pile 1. Okay, whoever chose this black tourmaline, this reading is for you. Who will you marry? Let's see. Who will you marry? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry? Who will they marry? Who will be their future spouse? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, the Tower. Then let's pull more cards. Let's pull more cards. Let's see who will you marry. Who is your future spouse? Let's see. Ace of Moons, the Burning Tower, and the Cardinal. Okay, so what I feel here, there are Aries is very strong here in this reading because the Burning Tower came twice, and also Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, also Aquarius, Libra, Gemini are prominent in this reading. So what I feel is it will be a love marriage, and it will be like sudden, unexpected, and it will be within no time. This marriage will happen very fast. So you know this person already because there is a tower moment happened between you with this person. So maybe you broke up with a person. That was a very bad breakup. You both are not in talking terms. Something really bad happened, unexpected happened. Suddenly you both got separated. You know this person very well. Maybe this is your ex-boyfriend, girlfriend. Okay, so you had some relationship with this person, and you will be starting again. Okay, and within no time you will get married with this person. I feel that in the month of December or January, okay, you will get married like 21 December or January. Okay, so you will be reconciling with this person. Whatever happened between you, you will try to forget the past, and you want to reconcile again and start a very loving, romantic relationship once again. So it will be a new starting, new beginning, I can say, with this person. Okay, again, so how you got separated unexpectedly, suddenly, the same way you will get married also suddenly and unexpected way. Okay, so let us pull more cards, and also I can see this waiting energy between you and the other person. Okay, so other even though you both are not talking to each other, you both are waiting for each other. You are tired of waiting, but you both are defensive, or I can say that prideful energy I'm getting. Okay, let us get some more clarity with other cards. Okay, as I told you already, this is a waiting card. King of Wands, Two of Wands, King of Wands. Very nice. Ten of Pentacles, King of Swords, and the Five of Cups. Okay, so definitely this person, whoever you're asking about, I mean, who will you marry? The question is that who will you marry? So definitely this person is waiting for you. You know this person already, and maybe you will have two people in your life. Okay, maybe you are a divorcee, or the other person who is coming in your life, the other person might be a divorcee. Okay, so this person will be coming out of a relationship, and they are very very sad. They are ending one relationship and coming towards you, and this is a long distance relationship definitely. And I can see that this person will be traveling and coming towards you very passionately, but he'll be he or she will be like in a king energy. Okay, they have all the qualities. They are stable in their expression, or what can I say, proposal. Okay, the proposal will be very genuine, honest, and the person will be very stable person, I can say. But this person also, I can see a little bit anger issues are there. So that is the reason maybe the earlier this person broke up with you. Now this person is waiting for you, maybe because of this pandemic. This person is not coming towards you because it is a long distance relationship, and they want to definitely have a family with you, or they already have a family, but they are getting divorced, and they are leaving their person, and coming towards you. Okay, so this is for some of you. For some of you, this person is already very passionate towards you, very attracted towards you, so they are not able to forget you, but they are waiting for the right time. So as I told you already, this will be a love marriage, and you already know this person, you broke up with this person. So it will happen unexpectedly. Okay, so this person will be definitely coming back into your life, and you will have a nice loving relationship. I can see there will be small fights between you, because this person is a little bit anger issues are there, and also this person is very prideful, egotistical. So this kind of emotions are there. So what you will do is, you will be consoling this person, whatever happened in their past. You will be healing them. You are kind of a healer for them, and you have to take care of that person. All the burden will be on your shoulders, because this person is very rich, wealthy, there is no doubt about it, but emotionally they are very very weak. Okay, so you have to take care of the you will take care of this connection, you will take care of that person, because that person is very very sad, and because they are traumatized for something that happened in their life. Okay, at the same time they had a bad breakup with you also. So you will be starting a new beginning, and definitely this person will choose you, not the other person. So if at all you are thinking that third party is there, so they are not coming to me, not marrying me, so definitely this person will choose you, and they will come back to you, and you both will get married. As I told you already, fire signs are very prominent here, fire signs and air signs. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 1. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this tree agate, this reading is for you. Let's see. Let's see, who will you marry and who is your future spouse? Who will you marry? Who is your future spouse? And when will you marry? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Please reveal all the information that my viewers are requesting for. Okay, the Fool. Let us pull some more cards. Let's pull some more cards. Who will they marry? Who is their future spouse? Who will they marry? Who is their future spouse? The Burning Tower. Who will they marry? Who is their future spouse? Cards are jumping. Three of Sons. Okay. Ace of Sons. Okay, these are the cards I can find. And I can see here that definitely this person will be fire sign. Whomever your future spouse will be fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. It is very prominent here. Aries is prominent, Leo is prominent. Okay, so this person might be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Then so this person, you know already this person. Okay, so you know already there is some maybe you didn't express the feelings to that person or that person didn't express the feelings towards you, and this will be a love marriage. Then you are like skeptical, you are not decided yet in your mind whether you have to move towards this person or not, but finally you will take a risk. Okay, you will take a risk in this connection, and you will go towards that person. Okay, because the Fool card is there, so you will be taking leap of faith, and you will be taking a risk in your life, because until now you don't know whether it will be a right decision or not. So that is the reason you might be postponing this, or you might be little scared to take this decision. But suddenly something happened, something happens between you and this person. The Burning tower is there, so definitely something unexpected will happen in the near future. So that time you will definitely go towards this person, because I feel that this is a long distance relationship, and this person is waiting for you, or you are waiting for that person. So it can be vice versa. Please take it whatever resonates with you. Okay, so you both are not taking any making any move, or earlier you had a very bad breakup, so that is the reason you both are little like no talking, no communication. You broke up with each other, so you don't know whether it will be a good decision or not, so you are waiting. But finally definitely you will take a decision, and because of the Burning Tower, I feel that something suddenly unexpectedly something will happen, and you will make your mind that you will marry this person. Okay, this person, you know this person already, as I told you, and you will start a new beginning. Because Ace of Sons is there, that means Ace of Wands. Okay, lot of passion, lot of attraction, so you will start the connection again, rekindle the connection, and very it will be very passionate connection, I can say. And suddenly it will happen. Okay, I feel that it might take 1 year, or in the month of January something might happen, or okay, it might happen in the month of March also. I can see in the Aries season something will happen. Okay, so in Aries season only you will get to know the true feelings of your person, or true feelings of yourself, because you yourself are confused whether you love this person or not, whether you truly want this person in your life or not. You yourself are confused, so finally you will take a decision. Okay, let us pull more cards to see what exactly is happening. Okay, who will you marry? Who is your future spouse? Who will my pile 2 will marry? Who is their future spouse? When they will marry? Is it a love marriage or arranged marriage? Please give us some guidance and clarity, spirits and angels. Five of Cups. The Sun. Wow, very nice card. The Tower. Again and again the Tower card is coming. Two of Wands and King of Wands. Okay, there is a lot of passion here. I can see only the cups energy. I mean, only the fire sign energy I can see strongly. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is very, very prominent. Okay, that person will be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius only, your future spouse. Okay, and maybe what I am getting the message is maybe you have proposed this person, or this person rejected you or ignored you. Maybe this person is already having some relationship already. They are into some they committed to somebody else. Okay, so that is the reason they were not able to accept your proposal. But now this person will be coming out of the relationship, because Five of Cups, so they are walking away from the other connection. But even though you are ready, you are waiting for this person is always thinking about the past, why it happened, because they are thinking about the three cups fallen down, but they are not looking at the cups that are full standing. Okay, so definitely they are thinking about the past, they are into depression maybe. Okay, then you will enter in their this person's life as a sunshine, and you will definitely make this person happy, and you both will be happy together. This also will happen definitely unexpectedly. The Tower moment will happen, and in that time only you both will meet. Okay, so whatever happens is really unexpected, and this person is waiting for you, or you will be waiting for you are waiting for this person, because you know each other already, as I told you already. So something happened and you broke up. So this person, I think already I told you, I'm getting a message that this is a long distance relationship, and this person is waiting for the right time. They are taking their whatever they have in their life, they want to offer you, because they are very much attracted towards you, very much passionate towards you. They are in a King of Wands energy. Okay, they are very lustful thoughts, and it is not a bad thing, I can say. But this person is very much attracted towards you. The attraction is growing day by day, because they feel that you are their sunshine. Okay, so you will give them the happiness what they want, what they are looking for. So definitely you will bring the happiness into their life, and you both might have the Sun also. That is also unexpectedly you will have, and immediately after marriage you will conceive, and you will have a son. Okay, so that's all I can feel. I am not getting any other messages here. Okay, hope you like this reading. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this lapis lazuli, this reading is for you. Who will you marry, or who is your future spouse? Who will you marry, or who is your future spouse? Who will you marry, whether it is love marriage or arranged marriage? Who will you marry? Who is your future spouse? Okay, the Magician. Let us pull more cards. Who will you marry? Who is your future spouse? Who will you marry? Who is your future spouse? Who will you marry? Who is your future spouse? Okay, the Prince, the Empress, very nice, and the Initiate. Okay, so what I feel here, first let me tell you the signs I can see here. So the signs I can see here: Sagittarius, then Aries, Leo, Sag, then Empress means all the fixed signs like Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius, and Taurus. Okay, these are the signs I can see here. The Empress is there, Initiate is there. So definitely this person will be pretty new. Okay, so you don't need to know this person already. This person is new and they will enter into your life like a prince. Okay, and they will be very attractive, charming, very beautiful or handsome. If it is a man, they will be very very handsome, fit body. Okay, then they like to go to gym maybe. Okay, you are manifesting this kind of a person into your life. Okay, so whatever qualities you are looking for, whatever the like body figure or something like that, whatever you are looking for, you will manifest. Okay, magician is there. So maybe you are using some techniques for the right partner or a soulmate. Okay, then as I told you, Sagittarius is very prominent here, all the fixed signs also. So this person will be entering into your life, and immediately I can see that you both will meet each other, and immediately the attraction will happen. Okay, the attraction will increase day by day, and it will not take much time to initiate the or propose each other. Okay, so definitely this person will be proposing you very soon, they because they see you as their wife material or mother of their children. Okay, definitely this person sees you, immediately they feel that you are the right person to marry. So they will definitely initiate the contact communication. First they will only communicate with you, they will propose you, that person will propose you, and also they will make it official. Okay, it will happen very fast I can say. And this is definitely I can see the love and arranged marriage. Maybe you meet this person in church or a marriage or a temple. Okay, some public place you will meet this person, not in the office or college or anything like that, but you will meet this person in any some marriage or function, or I can see some party celebration. So there you will meet this person. I can see some group gathering. Okay, so you will be celebrating, enjoying with your friends, and in that party this person will come, and instantly you both get attracted to each other. Then this person will propose within no time. Okay, so it will be very fast, instant. Then definitely they will see you as their wife material or mother of their children, so they will initiate the contact. So let us see, let us pull more cards. Let's pull more cards. Who will they marry? Who is their future spouse? My group 3 people, who will they marry? Who is their future spouse? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry? Who is their future spouse? Okay, 2 of Wands, King of Wands, 10 of Pentacles, 7 of Wands, and 9 of Pentacles. Okay, so now I can see this person will be very rich. I mean they have already everything like job or business, so everything this person will have already. So you feel that this is the right person, because you also will think like not only emotionally, not only romantically, but definitely you feel that this person is very good, sound in their wealth, they are wealthy person. So immediately you feel that okay, this is the right choice. So definitely, even though this person is having options, but they want to choose you, they want to choose you, and they will propose you, they will give you, offer you a gift first of all, and they will be very very passionate towards you. Okay, even though they are handsome or beautiful, but they find you as very attractive, very beautiful. Okay, so they will definitely too much head to toe, head to heels, we can say. So they are that much attracted, and definitely they will propose immediately. I can see the proposal, engagement and marriage, because 10 of Pentacles is there. Definitely we are asking about marriage only. So definitely this person will make it public, or they will initiate with their they will tell with their family, they will discuss with their family and come back to you. They are having a big family. I can see that they have people at home, then pets also, mother, father. So everybody, I can see they are having a joint family, or big family, I can say. So this person, it is not a love marriage, but it is love come arranged marriage. So then they will, this person will inform their parents, and they will come to your parents. It will happen traditionally. Okay, so but this person is feeling little defensive. Okay, something, because maybe you ask some questions, or you question their genuine, are they genuine or not. So they feel sometimes they are defensive, okay, at times, but they definitely they will stand strong, and they will clear all your doubts, clear all your whatever you are having, whatever you asked this person will clarify everything, and they will come back. Already they have some conflicts, I can see here, a little bit, maybe with their colleagues, or with their business partner, or their family, but definitely they will clear everything, and they'll come to you. They are quite independent, they are a freedom lover, I can see this person. This person is very as I told you already, again and again I am repeating, they are wealthy, they are beautiful, they are freedom lover. Okay, so that is the reason they struggle a lot at times, because their independence, no, sometimes they don't want to ask anybody's help. So they will struggle on their own, but they will be defensive, they will be very very strong person, I can see. I am getting so many messages actually about this person. This person is very I mean, whoever chose this pile 3, they are very lucky, I can say, because this person is very honest, then they are genuine, and they are independent, they are very strong, they don't want to take help from anybody. That's what I can see. Okay, so definitely they feel that you are their wish fulfillment. Whenever first they see you, immediately they feel that you are the correct person, right choice. Maybe initially you will have some doubts about them, they will be, you will be asking questions, why do you choose me? Because you are wealthy, you are beautiful, you are handsome, you have every option, whatever you want you can get in your life, why you are asking me, why you are proposing me? So this kind of a little doubt you will be having, but this person will clarify all your doubts, and they will take care of you nicely, and you will enjoy with this person. Okay, that's all the messages I am getting for pile 3. That's all. Then if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.